Hello guys, today let me show you how to detect the duration of idle time in Windows and how to prevent the system from going to sleep or logged off mode by making the system busy. For this we need to import a couple of modules. Say import time, schedule and Pycharm auto. So time schedule will be available by default in your Python standard library, whereas Pycharm auto we need to install it. So let me install this first. Step 3, install Pycharm auto and let it get installed. In the meanwhile we need to import a couple of other modules also which are available in the Python standard library. So from C types import, we need to import a couple of things, say structure, then win DLA, then C underscore UINT, then size of and byref. So from the C types module we will be importing this structures, these units. Okay, so now first we are going to start with a function called def time. So inside this we will have a class written. So make sure your class is always in caps letter. Structure. If you see here, my Pycharm auto has been installed successfully, so I can close this off. So how the structure should look like. Fields, CB size, comma C underscore UINT, then DW devote time, comma. So now what we are doing is we are just for CB size we are just this denotes the size of the structure which is in bytes, and DW time, that is devote time. So this refers to the tick count when the last input event was raised, when the last so now what we need to do is like we need to get one more function written for getting the idle duration. Def okay, it should be in caps. Last input info. Next we'll go with the size. Last input info, last input info dot cp size equal to size of first input info. Okay, so now what we need to do is like we need to go for win DLL, that is system1, then dot user 32 dot get last input info. We'll write a function for getting Pycharm. Friends, Pycharm, what is that? Last input info. Okay, now what we need to do is like, now we need to get the time difference between the current system time and the last user input, that was the mouse interaction or the keyboard interaction. Time diff equal to indln dot kernel 32 dot get tick count last input info dot dword time. Okay, so this time difference will be in milliseconds, so we need to convert it to seconds. So we'll say like return time diff divided by 1000. Okay, now let us get the print get idle duration. Okay, now once I get the idle duration, we need to use we will be using a Pycharm auto module, which is used for automating desktop GUI applications. So if get dot idle dot duration, so this is I'm taking for test purpose, for showing you like if the idle time is greater than 20 seconds, then the system should move the mouse automatically from one location to another to make the system busy. Now why I made 20 seconds, this for testing purpose, and for your system it depends on what is the duration of your sleep timeout or sign off timeout. Based on that you can put it. Okay, Pycharm auto dot mouse dot move. Okay, so alias chords equal to dot 10. Same I will copy it for the another one, and then again another one, and again 10. So if my idle duration system is greater than 20 seconds, then it should move the mouse from one location to another. Now what I will do is like, I will be scheduling this job. Schedule dot every 10 dot seconds. You can have this schedule like, say like if you have 4 minutes of if you have 4 minutes, say like if you have 4 minutes of a time set for sign off or sleep mode, so that is 240 seconds. So that is 240 seconds. Now like if you want your system not to be moved to sleep mode or transit to sleep mode, what you can do is like, you can get the idle duration is greater than 200 seconds. You can keep it in 200 seconds. So every 200 seconds, if it is greater than 200 seconds idle time, then it will move the mouse coordinates. And then you can schedule like every 100 seconds. Then every 100 seconds this particular block of code will run. So whenever it sees in this block of code, whenever it sees the system is idle greater than 200 seconds, it will move the mouse. Okay, seconds dot to idle time. While one means while true. Schedule dot run underscore pending time dot sleep. Okay, let me run the code now. Oh, I have an error call Win32 API is not found. Okay, I think I need to install one more modules. Say pip3 install Win32. So this is the module also I need to install then along with it. Okay, so it installed successfully. So let me run the block of code again. if I didn't get, okay, here I missed this function. Fine. Now you can see I will move the mouse every 10 seconds. It will get the difference and it will just tell me. Now I will just halt my mouse here, and you can see my mouse pointer moves from one location to another when the idle time is greater than 20 seconds. So it's 9 seconds. Next will be it's 20 seconds, 18 seconds, then it will move. Now you will see my mouse pointer to be moving. Yeah, you see my mouse pointer moved from here to here. Hope you have understood this video, and if you have any doubts you can write me in my comments section so that I can explain you in details. Please like this video, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.